Changing your YouTube TV password on your phone is easy because YouTube TV uses your Google account login. That means you simply update your Google password and it automatically updates for YouTube TV as well. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Google app or your phone's browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the same Google account you use for YouTube TV. Once you're inside, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select Security. In the Security section, scroll down until you see Signing in to Google. Tap on Password. For security, Google will ask you to enter your current password first. After verifying, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter a strong new password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it again to confirm, then tap Change Password. Your password will be updated instantly. Next time you open YouTube TV on any device, you'll need to sign in using this new password. This helps keep your account secure and prevents unauthorized access. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.